You are now going to pull out your reading composition notebook to answer the following questions. How did Ron's feelings change throughout the story, and why did they change? I'm going to give you 2 to 3 minutes to answer this in your notebook. I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So on the slide, you're going to answer these 5 questions. 1. How did Ron feel in the morning on his way to the library? 2. What did Ron like to read about? 3. Why couldn't Ron check out books? 4. What did Ron do when he was told that he couldn't have a library card? 5. What happened at the end of the story? Once you are done with this slide, you will read the last page and then move on to your read aloud.